Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are covering a very practical tool, how to record your Google Meet video sessions directly within the platform. Whether you are hosting a presentation, an online class, or a team sync, capturing the conversation is incredibly simple and requires just a few clicks. To begin, make sure you have joined your Google Meet session. Direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see a small activities icon, which is made up of a triangle, a square, and a circle. Click on this icon to open up your side panel. Within the Meeting Tools panel that appears, look for the option labeled Record and click on it. This will open the specific recording menu on the right side of your screen. Here, you have a convenient option to check a box if you want to include captions in your final video. Once you have made your selection, click the blue Start Recording button at the bottom of the pane. A pop-up message titled, "Make sure everyone is ready" will immediately appear in the center of your screen. This is a standard privacy reminder that you should obtain consent from all participants before recording. Go ahead and click Start on this prompt to confirm and proceed. You will know the capture has officially begun when a red recording indicator pops up in the top right corner of your screen, right next to the participant counter. When your meeting wraps up or you simply want to stop capturing the discussion, you can end the recording at any time. A small control box allows you to easily hit the square stop button. The video will automatically process in the background and be saved directly to the host's Google Drive. As you can see in the menu, it creates a dedicated Meet Recordings folder, making it incredibly easy to find, review, and share the file later. That is all there is to it. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Be sure to subscribe for more straightforward professional tech tutorials, and we will see you in the next video.